Hi, I'm Zach from Visalia Toyota, and I'm here to show you the brand new 2020 design on the Tacoma TRD Off-Road. The Off-Road is a 4x4 vehicle with a V6 3.5 liter engine with 278 horsepower, which is incredible. Also, one of my favorite features about the Off-Road is you're going to be getting the multi-terrain crawl feature. That way, if you're going into rocks, mud, anything, the vehicle is going to be able to help you get through and get safety. And if you ever start to get stuck or feel like you might be getting stuck, it does have the rear differential lock. Also, with the brand new 2020 design, it does come with the Qi wireless charging inside your cockpit. That way you can just toss your phone in there, don't have to worry about plugging it in or anything while you're driving. It'll start charging the phone by itself. Not to mention it is equipped with the Bluetooth system and Apple Car radio. But if you do have Android, it does have the Android app. That way you can stream all your music and everything through the car without any worry. Once again, my name is Zach from Visalia Toyota. Come by, see us, and take you on a test drive and show you this absolutely gorgeous truck. Remember, here at Groppetti, you can count on us.